This video demonstrates the installation process of the Solis 3-phase high-voltage hybrid inverter. Attention! Electrical equipment can only be operated by qualified electrical technicians. Before installation, please read the manual and check the packaging list. The inverter is heavy. Please use proper lifting equipment when moving the inverter. Please install the inverter in a safe location with proper ventilation and heat dissipation. Also avoid direct sunlight. During operating, inverters generate heat and high voltages internally. It is recommended to install the inverter in a safe location that is not easily accessible to people. Grounding conductor connection. Connect grounding cable to the ground bar inside of the inverter wire box using a Phillips screwdriver.